Hey everyone, welcome back to EasyPY, Zero to Hero series. Today we're going to look at the OS module in Python, which gives us access to many operating system features. Section 1. Current Directory. First, let's get the current working directory using os.getCud. Section 2. Listing files and folders. Next, os.lister shows us all the files and folders in the current directory. Section 3. Creating and removing directories. We can create a new directory with os.mdir and remove it using os.mdir. Section 4. Check existence. The os.path.exists function helps us check whether a file or folder exists before working with it. Section 5. Environment variables. You can also access environment variables with os.environ.get. For example, here's the system path. Section 6. Running system commands. Finally, with os.system, we can run system-level commands directly from Python. And that's the power of the OS module in Python. If this was helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. See you soon.